welcome you to visit the Hacker Factory in Suzhou, China. Today, we will take you into the factory. Get up close and personal with how we develop and produce plasma cutter heads. We first came to the Ordinary Processing Workshop. It's a 24/7 production facility. Here are professional engineers and technicians. Develop and assemble plasma cutter heads of different specifications, meeting different market needs. Welcome to the core production area of the factory, the Clean Production Workshop, multi-channel sterile cleaning program. Guarantee that our products can achieve aseptic production in the whole process. After the finished product is completed, after insourcing and outsourcing packaging, can also customize exclusive labels for OEM partner customers. We will keep samples of all factory products for inspection. We conduct professional physical and chemical testing on each batch of products. Our testing equipment is at the international advanced level. We also conduct rigorous biochemical testing on our products to ensure the safety and performance of clinical use to the best standards. Strictly control the highest quality standards. Finally, the product enters the warehouse for sorting. Products are shipped from China to markets around the world. Our products have served sports medicine surgeries in more than 55 countries around the world. Not only can we provide high-quality finished products to doctors and distributors, it can also provide a complete set of overall solutions for manufacturers. This is also the core differentiating advantage between us and our competitors. At present, after our new plant is put into operation, the annual production capacity will reach 10 million plasma cutter heads. Looking forward to cooperating with you.